Hi, my name is Wolfgang, and in this video I will show you how to crunch numbers efficiently by clicking and dropping data. Let's get started. I prepared some random numbers for the 4 basic calculations. First, the addition. We enter equals to in cell C1, then we click on cell A1. The term A1 will appear in C1. We hit the plus sign and click on cell B1. Now B1 will appear after the plus sign. Pushing enter will give us the result in C1. The other three equations we solve by pull down. We select our first result in C1, position the cursor on the small square, and then pull it down to the end of our first number column, which is C4. If you want to see the formula, double-click on the cell. To get back to the result, hit Escape. In the same way, we can do the subtraction and the multiplication of the next bunch of numbers. We will speed this up a little bit. Now let's divide. The same rules apply. You enter equals to in the next cell, click on the first factor, then enter divided by, click on the second factor, and then hit enter to show the result. If you don't like how the number is represented, you can format it with Format Cells. You can reach this menu through the toolbar. Click on Format, then on Cells. The menu Format Cells pops up. The other way is to right-click on the cell and click on Format Cells in the drop-down menu. In Format Cells, you click on the Numbers menu if not already open. In Options, you can limit the number of decimal places and the number of leading zeros to be displayed. You can show negative results in red and insert a thousandths separator. Let's do all this and see the effects. This concludes our video about entering values in formulas in an easy click and drop way. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you have questions or suggestions, please let me know in the comments. I'll be happy to answer. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.